Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are discussing the science of grade 8 with PTB syllabus. We have discussed the types of chemical reactions that were addition and decomposition reactions. I am showing the addition and decomposition reaction. You need to be differentiate between the types of chemical reaction and the energy changes in the chemical reactions. Actually, energy changes are those changes that a substance need and that the substance required to complete the reaction for various functions. The energy of a substance is a particle amount of energy due to which our compound or a substance remains stable. A substance need the energy change to perform a chemical change or a chemical reaction. The energy change in a substance takes place when it release or takes the energy. When it release energy or when it takes the energy or heat or light. On the basis of change in energy, chemical reactions are classified into two types. There are exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions. Here I am discussing the exothermic reactions. Exothermic reactions are those reactions as exo and therm. Exo means outside and the therm means heat. So, as the name shows, exothermic reactions are those reactions in which heat is given out or move outside of the reactions. Exothermic reactions are those reactions in which heat is given out, and the most common example of the exothermic reaction is burning. Burning is a common example of exothermic reaction in which heat is released. As heat is released, exothermic reactions are of many types. In this, many fossil fuels, maybe the burning of gas, or maybe the burning of coal, or maybe the burning of some fuel, petrol, etc. In this, as we know that in the burning of gas, or in the burning of coal or some fuel such as petrol, uh, the heat is released. That's why we call that as exothermic reactions. Here I am explaining you some examples. For example, when the carbon may be in any form, maybe in the form of coal, burn in the presence of oxygen, then carbon dioxide gas is released and also heat is released. The working of the fireworks is also the example of exothermic reactions, as they are emitting the heat. Next, I am explaining it to you with the help of an activity. Look at this activity in your book. We need some apparatus, and the apparatus is we need a beaker, and we need some water and the unslaked lime. Unslaked lime will produce heat when the reaction will proceed. Okay, first of all we will take the beaker and fill it half with the water as shown in the figure, and next we will add some unslaked lime. That's formula is CaO. We add this unslaked lime, calcium oxide, in the beaker, and we will stir it, and after about 20 to 30 seconds we will touch this beaker and the beaker will heat up. You will Here are some questions, you will have to answer them. What do you feel? When we did this activity, we felt the beaker was hot. And why does it happen so? So the answer of the second question is that when this was happen because this experiment or this reaction was the exothermic reactions, and the unslaked lime produced heat Here is the equation of this reaction. The calcium oxide, when calcium oxide was mixed in the water, and then it produced calcium hydroxide, forming calcium with the water molecule and forming calcium hydroxide, and it released the heat. As this heat is released, this heat used to heat up the beaker. This was the exothermic reaction. Next we will discuss the endothermic reactions. Thank you.